Who makes up your local economy and how is that changing? CityViz starts with the business trend line: total businesses, businesses with and without employees. That distinction matters. Employer growth, self-employment growth, and small business churn all tell different stories about your economy, and they call for different BR&E responses. You also see the current business size profile: how many businesses have employees, how many do not, and how employers break down by size. From there, CityViz moves into industry detail: two-digit NAICS sectors, sector by business size, and drill downs into two-digit and four-digit NAICS categories. That helps you answer practical questions. Which sectors are growing, where small firms are concentrated, where larger employers anchor a cluster, and where gaps may exist in the local supply chain. For investment attraction, it helps prove your business base. For BR&E, it helps target outreach by sector and employer size. And for strategy, it gives you a clearer read on the structure, momentum, and resilience of your local economy.